If you like your stories with just a little too much betrayal, scheming, and revenge served cold, get ready. I'm counting down the fiercest, slickest revenge plots in K-dramas from 2024 to 2025. Revenge is coming, and it's delicious. Cinderella Game, 2024 to 25. A girl raised by her enemy, used as someone else's lost daughter. When she realizes she's been manipulated, her journey to make things right is one major revenge ride. The Impossible Heir, 2024. Corporate politics plus family betrayal at its worst. Someone has to claim what was stolen and bring down the high-stakes players behind it. Scandal of Chanhua, 2025. A princess caught in love and politics. When betrayal hits, she doesn't sit back, she rewrites her fate. The Manipulated, 2025. Wrongly accused, destroyed, and left for dead, only to rise again with vengeance as the only goal. Karma, 2025. A prosecutor haunted by secrets turns every case into a personal vendetta. Justice or revenge? You decide. Mercy for None, 2025. He left gang life, but when his brother's murdered, he hunts down everyone responsible, no mercy indeed. Hierarchy, 2024. Rich kids, power games, and a transfer student who isn't here to play nice. Revenge never looked so stylish. The 8 Show, 2024. A deadly survival game where money, betrayal, and vengeance keep everyone's knives out, literally. Blood Free, 2024. Biotechnology, corporate corruption, and a CEO determined to avenge her past, icy, brilliant, and ruthless. Night Flower, 2024. By day, a noble widow. By night, a masked avenger righting wrongs. The double life makes her revenge plot iconic. So there you have it, my top revenge plots in K-drama over the past couple of years. Which one of these makes you say, oh, that's gonna sting? Did I miss your favorite vengeance story that makes your heart pound? Drop your pics, let's build the ultimate revenge watchlist together.